G'day guys, it's Shannon here from Plazmaman. Today I'm here with Scotty, our dyno operator.
And today we're doing some Landcruiser intercooler testing.
That's right.
So the first thing we're going to be doing with this factory LC200 4.5 litre twin turbocharged engine, we're going to run it up just as a factory car, factory tune. We're going to have a look at the intake temperatures and we're going to get an idea of how long it takes for the intercooler to saturate at highway speeds and at towing speeds. Then we're going to switch over to the Plazmaman intercooler, do the same testing and see what sort of percentage gains we get. So we'll go again, we'll give it 3 pulls. How are we looking?
So pretty similar.
Pretty similar?
Yeah.
Okay, so 90 degrees out of the turbo, 43 degrees into the motor. Okay, she's making some steam, she's a good one. We're gonna give it one more pull, then we're gonna simulate towing this thing. You ready?
Yep.
Start the run a little early. Here we go. How are we looking now?
Yeah, so the exit temperature of the turbo is definitely climbing.
Yeah, yeah. And how are we going across the intercooler?
Intercooler's not too bad, so it's jumped up about 5 degrees. So we're 45 now. So it's definitely starting to get some heat soak in it.
That's right, mate. What do you think about Landcruisers now? You know I'm a fanboy. You got 2Js, RBs, 1 VDs. They're all in the same family, right? Alright, so what we've just done now, we've done a bunch of factory pulls that's making 135 kilowatts or 181 horsepower at the wheels. Our inlet air temperature things are the things that we want to talk about today. So we've given it a bunch of loading, then we've given it 3 hard pulls. We've got an intake air temperature of 41 degrees Celsius and a turbo intake air temperature of 88, 89 degrees Celsius. So what that's showing us is that we're dropping from 90 degrees Celsius down to 40 degrees Celsius across the core. And remember as well that we also held it at about half to 3/4 throttle, sort of simulating going up a big hill with your 3-ton caravan, holding about 100-ish kilowatts or 2/3 of the available power. And we ended up with a turbo outlet temperature of around 100 Celsius and then starting to saturate that intercooler at about 50 or 60 degrees Celsius. Right there at 95 kilometers an hour, she did have 130 kilowatts. She's now got 181 kilowatts. Intake temperature, it's starting to get hot now, so we're starting to see 110. Our torques, you can slowly see, can you see our engine torque now? So we're making 420 newton meters at this particular overtaking pace.
Yeah.
But look what's happening, 417, 416, and we just got to 130 degrees out of the turbocharger. So we're losing puff at the moment. 133 degrees out of the turbocharger, around 65 degrees give or take after the intercooler. So that's telling us there, yeah, okay, like she's working hard, she's starting to derate. This is where you come into it.
Yes.
All right, what do you think? Let's shut it down. We'll leave the tune in it that we've already roughed in. We'll shut it down. We'll really have to cool it down a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll swap that intercooler out and then we'll do exactly the same test. We'll do power runs and then we'll do that 1 minute of towing up a serious hill with your big caravan or your big boat and have a look and see what happens.
Sounds good to me.
plasma core in. Wound her up. Just give it a chance to heat soak a bit. Get the mixtures in there. Okay, you ready to party over there?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Mate. I'm a bit shocked, to be honest.
Yeah, not bad.
Wow, okay, let's do a couple of pulls just to make sure. Same thing, heat soak it, do it properly,
Yep,
same
that's right.
comparison. Mate, what are our inlet temps and exhaust? Alright, so now we're seeing turbo outlet temps, the same-ish, so still 95, 100 degrees Celsius, something like that. We were seeing 50 and 60 degrees. We're now seeing an inlet air temp into the engine.
Yeah, 25 to 30 max so far.
Yeah. So we've just done 3 power runs. It's picked up sort of 40 newton meters, give or take.
It's not bad, eh?
That is pretty impressive. Mate, that is not a bad result at all. All right, how about now? Let's go for our heat soak test. So this is our towing test. Horsepower and all that sort of stuff for a Landcruiser guy, yep, it's cool, but doesn't mean much if you lose all of that because the thing heat soaks when you're towing your boat at 100 k's an hour. So we're going to go into sport mode, 5th gear. I'm going to get the dyno to hold us at 100 kilometers an hour, and then I'm just going to increase the load. So we're up there now at a map of, so we've got about 15 pounds of boost, 200 kPa absolute or 100 kPa of gauge pressure. We're holding that. We're making 100 kilowatts at the wheels and 350 newton meters. So our mixtures there just for everyone at home. So we're at 15 pounds of boost. We're at 20 to 1 air fuel ratio. So a reasonably lean air fuel ratio, meaning safe. On a diesel, the richer we go, the more danger we're in. So at 20 to 1 at 120 kilowatts and 15 pounds, mate, she's going to be golden forever. Intake air temp, so we've ended up at 93 Celsius on the outlet of the turbocharger and 35 on the intake air temperature going into the motor. Mate, whether you've got a leaking intercooler or not, I would call that absolutely successful to make the thing get consistent power to tow for longer at that higher torque value. It was brilliant. Really, really impressive, and a nice fit too.
Yeah, direct fit, increased performance and reliability.
Oh, good on you. I know what door I'll be knocking on.
Mission accomplished. For more information about this or any of our other products, visit our website, plazmaman.com.